An earthquake off the coast of Taiwan measuring 7.2 magnitude rocked the capital Taipei on Wednesday morning. The quake knocked out the power in parts of the city and triggered tsunami warning for the southern island of Japan and the Philippines. The impact after the Taiwan's earthquake caused building to collapse. Report by the Press Association, a five-story building in Hualien City appeared to be heavily damaged. The first floor collapsed and the rest title at a 45-degree angle. In Taiwan's capital, Taipei, tiles fell from old buildings and in some new office complexes. Train services were also stopped after the earthquake. However, community activities continue as usual.
Elsewhere, the earthquake.
The electricity supply for tens of thousands of homes in Taiwan was cut off due to the earthquake. Internet access in the country was also cut off.
Just violent. It's the biggest and longest earthquake I have ever felt. Like, it's nothing. That was just next level. And especially being so high up in a building, it was absolutely.
A report by the Taiwanese news agency Central News Agency said that almost 10,000 resident homes did not have electricity after the earthquake. The earthquake also caused landslide that caused extensive damage to major highways along the country's east coast. That's the news I can cover for you today. Goodbye.